Instagram finally has a new update where you could pin comments right on the top of your posts. So in this video I want to show you exactly how to use it, and this is just rolling out as I'm recording this video. You can share, so make sure you update your Instagram app, and if you still don't have it, just be patient. These things to take a few days to take to all the accounts. So jump into your Instagram account and go to one of your video photos. So I will just go to my recent one here. You can see and go to your, you can choose from here. So I have here in my photo, and then after top of the list I will go to the all comments, and here are just all my comment based on top first comment, but I could obviously press heart a comment, or but if you slide left on the comment, you have press button, and you can see here